Those who believe they're going to sell us fear and tribalism, their shame is in store for them. We are beyond there. We know that our problem is not tribalism. Our problem is not fear. We need hope for the future. And there exists that possibility. We have demonstrated before that as Kenyans we can come together, grow every business, make sure that there is opportunity for small enterprises for us to grow the small enterprises into big business. And we can grow our tax base by ensuring that we grow the small businesses. And we can create enough jobs so that the many children we have in our homes can also have hope, get a job, and build their nation. That is where we are going. And that is my message for our nation as we go into 2021. We should not accept to be taken back into the politics of ethnicity, people selling us fear,